Don't be bossy, Amelia. You share. Huh?
Amelia, I'm doing a mini bug drop. Do I get it in my hand? I can barely get up when I'm doing a mini.
Because you're not jumping high enough.
I know. I can still do it. Oh.
What else did you learn in gymnastics?
No, guys. No, guys. No, guys. Somersault, but she didn't know how to do it.
Oh, yeah, that's not a very good one for her. Whoa!
Oh, my hair is wet.
Go.
No,
Jump, jump.
too young for that.
Yeah.
Jump, jump. Woo!
That's fun, Amelia. Boing.
Okay, that's enough. No screaming.
Now she can see herself in the window.
Oh, no. Oh, no. She's just going to jump watching herself.